Okay. So you ever get one of those phone calls at work? Or in my case, it wasn't even a phone call. It was a text of a door missing a doorknob. I was told, can you pick up a doorknob on the way home from work and change the doorknob tonight? Like, yay. Okay, so here I am. I went to Lowe's. I picked one up. Just a simple, has to have a key because it's to the one that goes to the garage. So, got it. Took it out of the package. So, and of course, the first direction tells you is prepare the door. Oh, the door is prepared. You need to take this part off. So, okay, I'm gonna see if I can bring you closer. Hold that thought. You still can't see it great, can you? Okay, well, anyways, in here, yeah, see, it's there's an issue. Houston, we have a problem. So, something's not right. I personally think we just lost pieces to it, but because everyone just keeps slamming the doors and not like. So this should be a lot easier than it is. Shouldn't this just come out? Dang nabbit, am I doing something wrong? I don't know, why is she... They sent me a picture with the doorknob off, but the knob's not off. It's absolutely fine. So, I don't know. This is a long ass screw. Oh, I'm also keeping an eye out for trick-or-treaters too. So, my spare time, I'm doing trick-or-treaters. Last year we had like 4 trick-or-treaters, so this year we're hoping for like a whopping 6. Oh, okay, there it's out. Okay, and then, oh, okay. Now, do I even need to change this little thingy, or can I just put another one in? I think I'm just gonna put another one in. Will that work? Hold that thought. I'm gonna go get the other one and see if I can just put another thingy in. One of the reasons is I'm saying that is that we're gonna be replacing this whole door and everything at the end of this week. So I'm kind of irritated that I even have to do this. So, oh, I see. Okay. So then we have to start on this side. The trash can's in the way. Oh. Does that not work? Oh, maybe they aren't universal. Really hoping they were. They're not? Oh, that stinks. Bet you if I'd used the same brand, but I didn't. Okay, so for future reference, you gotta change all of it. Dang it. It's just so much work I don't wanna do, because I'm that lazy. And this thing, it ain't gonna come undone. Oh yes, it will come undone with just a screw. Did I even change this doorknob, or did I have my dad do it when we first moved it? My dad did a lot for me here. Okay. So see, we got the thingy out. Came out of right there with just 2 little screws. Be right back. Does it go this way? Yeah. Okay, can you see? I'm actually going to reuse the other screws for no other reason than because I've already lost the little baggie that the screws were in. So we'll just use these. Yes, you're looking at my screwdriver going, that's a little crooked. Yeah, my screwdriver's a little crooked, but it works. Okay. Okay. There we go. Got that. I'm hoping I just didn't do this backwards. Do you think I just did this backwards? We'll find out. Oh, shit. I don't know, because I don't remember. Okay, so now I'm concerned, because I'm going to need to find the screws to put these in. So what did I just do with that? Oh, it was in my pocket. Okay. Okay. I don't know about all that. I don't care about all that. No, we don't need all that. I just need to know if I have it pointing the right way. How do you know if it's pointing the right way? The slant of the latch bolt faces the door frame. What does that mean? So it's supposed to go the other way? Is that supposed to go the other way? The slant of the door frame. No, that's the slant. It's facing, okay. That's what I'm gonna guess that's the slant and it's facing the right way. Okay, so I don't think I need this thingy. Maybe I do. It says attach drive-in collar. I have to attach this? Well, shit, I didn't do that. Okay, hold on. I'm doing this wrong. Okay. So, lefty loosey, let's try this again. Keep an eye out for the kids. Eye out for the trick-or-treaters. Okay. Take this out. Pretend that I didn't put this in here. Okay, so I think the slant's going the right way, but it says I need to add the collar. So this is the collar. Why do I need to add the collar? And which way does the collar go? Okay. I gotta remove the plates for the collar? I have to, what? Why do I have to do that? That seems stupid. Won't it just work without it? Why do I have to install this? What does this do? Does this do anything? It says I have to remove the plates. What? Why? I don't think I do, because they look just fine like that. It says I have to add this. Why do I have to add this? I don't think I have to add this. We're gonna pretend that's extra pieces, and we're just gonna keep going. And if I'm wrong, then we'll fix it again. But we got the slant going the right way. I don't think I have the screw going the right way. Okay. Oh, screw. I'm going to pretend we don't need that collar thingy. And then if I do, I'll change it. No one will know. Other than the 84 people that'll watch this video. Worst part is my dad will be one of them and he'll know I did it wrong. But other than him, okay. So the next, we have this part. The lock goes on the outside. It's not going in the holes. Okay. Trying to watch out for trick-or-treaters too. See, because if I do it this side, now what do I do? Because I don't want to go in there. See, now it's 2. Now you need to come out, son. Come out, come out. There we go. Okay, I got it in. Whew. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so I got that side in. Finally. Thank you, Jesus. Now we gotta do this side. I thought I heard trick-or-treaters, but I didn't. I just heard, oh, I'm dropping screws everywhere. These the right screws? No. These the right screws? Yes. Okay. I think I got the right screws. Who the hell knows anymore? No! One of them is right, one of them is wrong. Okay, I think I need the flatter ones, right? Right. Okay. And then, okay, so I got these ones that have that flat on the top because I think that's what I need. And then keep an eye out that the cats don't get out. Because that's be my next issue. Okay, so then I gotta line these screws up. I think if I get one lined up, they will both be lined up. But how do you tell? Oh, I didn't put the faceplate on either. That's all right, one miracle at a time. Thanks. Well, that one didn't go in. You go in your hole. Okay, I think that's it. Nope, that's not it. Damn it, man. Give it back. Give it back. Okay. So we gotta try to get it in. He keeps dropping. All right. All right, Mom? Let's find out. My issues. Please be the right hole. Okay, let's see if we can get in and out. I think it's probably a good thing my microphone shut off there for a minute because you probably don't want to hear the words I'm saying. Okay, so see, now it won't close. Let's see. Oh yeah, it will. Gotta just bump it in.